Keep waiting, all of you. Now, today's class we are going to see mostly types of salts and as well as family of salts. So let us see that what is these types of salts. So we all knows that salts means they're like neither acidic nor basic. So we used to call it as salts. So these types of salts, if you have taken, so basically the production of salts, what is the most common method of production of salt? Everybody, all of you? Yes, please.
So
What is the
neutralization,
general method
right?
of production of salt? So if acid react with the base, understand? It is used to produce what, guys? Respect to salt,
And water.
respect to salt plus water. So this is a generalized method of production of salts. Now from this equation only, we are going to derive the types of salts. So the first one is acidic salts. What is the type of salts? First salts, all of you, acidic salts. So now salts also acidic salts will be there. So by reading that word acidic salts, you might be understand, you might be guessing what is the pH value. The pH value will be what?
Less than 7.
Less than 7. Very good. Again, I'm saying if the mics are not proper, don't speak and don't make any disturbances. If possible, you want text in chat, otherwise you be silent. That's all. So now, acidic salts means, so these salts, sir, how to get the acidic salts? All of you remember, as we all know, the generalized equation of formation of salts is acid will react with the base, will form respect to salt plus water. So instead of normal acid, let us take this one. So these salts are formed by the combination of, remember, combination of strong acid, okay, with a weak base. So that is what weak bases, then we'll get not even with strong acids and weak bases, then automatically the solution, whatever we are getting the salt, the solution pH will become what? All of you. The solutions having the pH less than 7 or greater than 7 or equals to 7. Acidic in nature. Acidic in nature means pH is always what? Everybody? Less than 7. So that is only called as acidic salts. So acidic salts means what is the generalized equation? Strong, all of you, strong acid combining with the what, guys? Weak base, so that we are going to get the salt. What is the salt we are going to get? Acidic salt plus what will get? Water. That is only ways to called as acidic salts. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask. Even lifelong, you have to remember this. That much simplified way and that much simple I am teaching. But still, by tomorrow, even you cannot remember. Yes, Mr. Kaushik, you understand or not? I don't know you why you will get a headache because of family problems. I don't know how much you are having. Like you have to be very strong at this age. I don't know. Simple, you will get headache. Clear, everybody? Understood or not? All of you? Acidic salts means. So that is what. So examples. Of course, we'll study the parental acid and parental base. That we will understand. That is only family of salts. So the examples for this acidic salts. NH4Cl. I will say the salt formula. You tell me the name of this. NH4Cl. What is that name? Everyone.
Ammonium chloride.
Ammonium chloride. That is the formula for that. Next. NH4 twice SO4. NH4 twice SO4. Yeah.
Ammonium sulfate.
Ammonium sulfate. Learn the formula. If you are failed to learn the formula, there is no purpose of studying at all. I'm saying. If you are studying chemistry, if you are not good in the formula, fail to write the formula and read the formula, No purpose of studying the chemistry. Better you can stop studying. That is what my study suggestion. So magnesium chloride. Next, AlCl3. Mr. Again, Nimish, what is the valency of aluminum?
3, sir.
Remember that. Make it quick now, all of you. Understand everybody? Proceed now. AlCl3. What is the formula? All of you?
Ammonium chloride.
Aluminum chloride. Be active and take notes properly. More than this, nobody can. You have to be. Do it fast. This is the acidic salts. So, for example, ammonium chloride will take it. Explanation. So, if you want to get it more explanation, let me take it now. So, I want to get ammonium chloride. So, ammonium chloride is acidic salt or basic salt. Everybody, it's acidic salt. Am I correct? Others, everybody? Yes or no? So if you take this acidic salts, so ammonium chloride is formed by, let me take, what is the formula of ammonium chloride? Everyone should know by this time. As soon as if you learn the formula, you have to remember that. So ammonium chloride, if you have taken, it is formed by strong acid. Can you tell me what is the guess? By seeing the formula, can you guess the
Hydrochloric
parent
acid.
parent acid and parent base? Anyone? Formed by a parent acid. What is the parent acid? Anyone?
Hydrochloric acid.
Who is that sound disturbance? Parent acid. What is the parent acid? Everybody. Strong acid. What is the strong acid? The strong acid. Parent acid is a strong acid, which is HCl. Hydrochloric. Yes, please. Acid. That is what. And weak base, or we used to say parent base. We have to know each one
Ammonium
called parent base and parent acid. Yes, please.
Ammonium hydroxide.
Ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Very good. Super. So that is what you have to remember. Of course, for all the other salts also, we'll write it. Doesn't matter. We are going to study family of salts. So there we will study. So per day only these two concepts. You don't believe that? Today we are going to study only one activity. That much time we are spending because we have to be each and everything is clear to you all people. That is what is expectations. Make it quick now. Completed. So this is the first type of salts. Then what is the second type of salts? Acidic salts is over. Then what else? All of you.
Basic.
Next one is basic salts. Write it. Mr. Noor late. Mr. Danishka late. This is not going to be good. You know, Mr. Noor, what is happening? Guru also late today. Mr. Harvignesh, including Vijay also. You are also late, Mr. Harvignesh. What is the purpose? You cannot be on time. It's your life, Radhe. You should understand every day what is this. Okay, we make it quick now. Completed, everybody? Basic salts. So now, let us see that what is this basic salts. So we all know, by this time you can understand. These salts are formed by what? All of you. You can guess it
Weak
now.
acid plus strong base.
Yes. So these salts are formed by the combination of what? All of you. Strong
Base and weak acid.
strong bases and weak acids. That's all. So definitely their pH is what? Their pH solution is all of you. Yes. Their pH solution has or have, what is that? Greater than 7 or less than 7? Everybody. Greater than? So examples. So examples, you can take that. Sodium carbonate. Yeah, formula please. Sodium carbonate. Na2CO3. That is the reason I told you to learn yesterday's all the valency table. Why can't others will say, If you see whatever, I'm challenging entire class 10th. No formula will be coming. Mostly 95%. If you take NCERT textbook, no formula will come out of the tabular column. But still, why we are unable to study? Why we are failed? Because we are not having that. That is what I'm saying. Overcome something. You have a mistake. When I insist you, try to spend time. There is no dedication from the people. That is what is I'm seeing that. Make it quick now. All of you completed. Tejaswini, why are you joining this much late? Better you relax now. Why you not necessary to join? Sodium carbonate. Make it quick now, all of you. Next. Sodium acetate formula. Can anybody suggest me? This also we derived. You might be tell me.
The CH3 COONA.
CH3COO. Very good. So sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. TAT. Okay. Make it quick. Or else you can take any soap molecules. R means basically different kind of formulas is there. Next chapter we'll study. So this all the things are soap. All the things are basic in nature, basic salts. RCOONA. What is to call? Everybody? RCOONA. If you want, even that salts also we can. Okay. So just I'm saying you. If you are interested, if you want, you can. I will say you that. That is the soap molecules, guys. RCOO. What we used to call? RCOONA. So if you want, you can make the examples also. So basically the soap, the number of carbon atoms varies in certain, right, like soap if you have taken. So generally the soap what we have, the common soaps, if you notice it, we are having a 3 examples. So that is common formula for soaps. We will write like this. So whatever the soap you are having, so maybe the carbon number varies only. That is what carbon number 15 to carbon number 17, it will varies. So that is also, if you want, you can write. The basic sodium stearate, C17H35 COONA. So this is what we used to called as sodium stearate. If you want to be good in anything, advanced like subject, you can. Next one, C17H33 COONA. This is sodium. Anyhow, 4th chapter, carbonates compounds, we will study this. Sodium oleate. And same way, C15H31 COONA. These are sodium palmitite. Sodium palmitite. These all are examples for what? Everybody?
Soap.
Basic salts. Understanding? So these all 3 are salts only. Okay. Basic salts only. So whatever your soap, what you are using, you might be check the composition. Definitely the carbon number varies from C15 to C17. So you might be understand here. What do you mean by R? R means this is C17H35 or C17H33 and C17H31. Clear everyone? Understand Mitakshri? So if you don't want, you will leave it also. Nothing wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understand everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So that is what you can take so many salts we have sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium carbonate. Okay. You can take it. Sodium acetate you can take. Okay. Sodium acetate. These all the things are examples of what is that? Basic salts. Okay. Yeah, you want, you can write that also. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is another name of sodium hydrogen carbonate? Mr. Johan will say. What is the common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate, Mr. Johan? I'm asking you only. Don't take it more time. Common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Anyone?
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate also we can call as sodium bicarbonate. Okay, sodium bicarbonate. So we used to call it as baking soda. That is what you have to remember. That. Mr. Arun, please kindly leave from the meeting today. Don't join. Don't make me to remove from you. You yourself, you leave it. It's not necessary to attend. I never trust you from today onwards. You remember. Today, June 1st. From today, I never believe you. You don't join here. Get out. Senseless fellow. Make it quick, guys. So these are the examples of basic salts. So basic salts, what is the pH value, everyone? pH value is? That is what. So first one is acidic salts. Second one is basic salts. Then what about the next one? All of you? Opposite. Yes, please. Neutral salts. Yes. So third type of salts, which we used to call as neutral salts. So again, same thing. So you can see this is the third type of salts. So these salts are formed neutral. Neutral means we all guess it. What is the pH value? The pH value
Equal to 7.
yeah, solutions is neutral in nature and they are having pH value. Having pH nearly equals to what? Nearly 7. That is what.
Equals to
So
7.
remember, these are formed. These are formed by the combination of strong acid,
Strong base.
acids, and as well as
Strong base.
Strong.
Strong base.
strong bases. Okay, that is what you have to remember it. Every day, don't find excuse, Mr. Arun. Focus on work always. Network issues, even you cannot even report it in the group till now. That you should understand. How I will believe you? Make it, guys. Strong acids and strong bases are basically this we won't study. That is why let me put it in the bracket. So basically it won't be happen also, but we are studying are weak acids and weak acids and weak bases. But remember here, this reaction is a very slow reaction and it won't be much effective also. That is why we won't consider. So basically we'll study neutral salts means what is that? Strong acids and
Basic, sir.
strong bases. That's all. Okay. So that is what you have to remember. So weak acids and weak bases, mostly it won't be, but it's okay. We want, you can write it. Nothing wrong in that. Understand? Mitakshree, clear? So now tell me what is the examples you people can know. Anyone turn. So what is the examples?
For strong base and strong acid,
Strong
HCl
acids.
plus
Yeah.
NaOH.
I'm not asking strong acids and strong bases. I'm asking examples for neutral salts. What do you know? By formation by strong acids and strong bases. That is secondary. We have to find the parental acid and
So
parental.
NaCl.
Yes, NaCl. Okay. So observe very carefully. Yeah, NaCl we can take it. So as it is formed by NaCl. What is the name of the NaCl? You wait. Johan, what is NaCl? Name tell me. Kaushik and Johan, you both. Others you all right.
Sodium chloride.
Write it. Sodium chloride. Next.
Magnesium sulfate.
NaNO3. Kaushik will say. Others you write. Tell me the Kaushik name. Otherwise you leave from the meeting. It's not necessary, man. Yesterday you sent me the list correct. You have written the tabular column and all. You tell me no.
Sodium nitrate.
Involved in the class. Sodium nitrate. Next. Na2SO4. Arun, tell me. What is Na2SO4? Sodium sulfate. Next. K2SO4. K2SO4 means what, guys?
Potassium sulfate.
Potassium sulfate. Next. Mr. Haris Eras will say CH3COONH4. Yes, Haris Eras.
Yes, sir. Lactic acid.
CH3COONH4. Just to be careful.
Okay,
Lactic
sir.
acid. Lactic acid. Lactic acid formula I taught you already. Am I taught you or not? Verified?
Yes, sir. CSTCO. Sir.
Yeah. So that is what I'm saying. Saying answer is not necessary. How perfectly we are doing. You should not give small error also. That is what is expecting.
Okay, sir.
Make it quick now. You know already. This formula also I have taught you. Check it and tell me. Even the yesterday you have learned, you can. Of course, make it suppose this you can see
Ammonium
NH4 is there. What is that? NH4 means what? Ammonium. And
ammonium.
CH3COO we used to call something. What is that? Acetate. Yes or no?
Acetate.
That's
Yes,
all.
sir. Ammonium acetate.
Ammonium
Acetate.
acetate. Don't give chance for anything, Harish. That is what is expected. Make it quick now. So this is what the three types of salts. Acidic salts, basic salts, and as well as next one is what, guys? Everybody? Neutral salts. Clear? So that is what you have to remember. Now complete it fastly. Make it quick now. Do you all completed, everybody, till here? Any problem? You can ask me. Make it quick. All of you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to see that. All of you open activity number 2.14. I'll say you, Rohit. You just wait. Okay, we'll make it. Of course, so many examples we can write it. Don't worry that. Okay. So family of salts, you can see there. They're asking write the chemical formula of the salts given below, and as well as identify the acids bases from which the above salts may be obtained. That is okay. We'll find it. Next, salts having the same positive. Oh, this already we have done it. That's fine. Yeah, this activity, family of salts, will find it. That alone, this point alone, you remember that. So next, collect the following salt samples. Sodium chloride, this all the things. Check their solubility in water. Next, check the action of these solutions on litmus paper. And which of the salts are acidic or basic or neutral. Identify the acid or base used to form the salt. We have to find it. Report your observation in thing. Acid used and acid base also. You should fill this tabular column. Everyone, just will discuss it here. So you might be all notice it here. Everyone, just later you write it. Now you say, speak. I'll ask one by one. One by one, you tell me. Order wise. First roll number 1. Sodium chloride. What is the pH value? Sodium chloride. Just now we told. Yes, please. So it is soluble in water or not? First thing, they are asking us to find. Check the solubility in water. Yeah, sodium chloride, soluble or not? I'm speaking with you only. It is soluble or not, everybody? It will be soluble. Next, action on litmus. Because we have to dip in the pH paper. That is what pH paper means. What paper? pH paper means, everybody. It is a what paper, guys? Litmus paper.
Litmus paper.
Understand. So litmus paper, what is that? Everybody. No response. Why no response? Mr. Rohit? Because it is a what salt? What
Neutral.
salt? Neutral salt. Means pH value. What is the pH value? 7.
7.
And can you guess? Yeah, they are asking which of the salts are acidic, basic, neutral. Okay, we can. Identify the acid base used to form the salt. What is the acid and base present here? Parent acid, HCl, and parent base.
Sodium
Na.
hydroxide.
Next, potassium nitrate. What is the formula first? This is sodium chloride, NaCl. Very good. Potassium nitrate formula. Everybody. Write neatly. KNO3. Yeah, soluble or not? Yes, soluble. Next.
Soluble.
Yeah, potassium nitrate also. Just now I told you. It is also no response with the litmus. Why no response with the litmus? Everybody. Because it is a what salt? Yeah. So that is what. So what is the parent acid? Parent acid, nitric acid. Nitric acid. What is the parent base?
Potassium.
Parent base. Yeah, Pugal, what is that? Mic problem? That is what. Next, aluminum chloride. zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium acetate, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate. These are all the things. Remember, order-wise, aluminum chloride formula. Respond. Aluminum chloride formula.
AlCl3, sir.
Yeah, AlCl3. Next. Zinc sulfate formula. Everybody. Zinc sulfate formula. ZnSO4. The mic problem, just leave it. Next, copper sulfate. CuSO4. SO4. These all the three verified basic salts or acidic salts. Check it, everybody. Yeah, even including sodium acetate also. Sodium acetate formula, everybody. CH3 COONE. These all are what? Basic salts or acidic salts? Yes, please. I think no, not in this alone. Aluminum chloride, zinc sulfate, and copper sulfate. These all are action and litmus. All are soluble. Action and litmus. They are acidic salts. So pH value is less than 7 or greater than 7. Everybody.
Less than 7.
So they all are. They will turns what? They'll turns the blue litmus into what?
Red.
Red. They will turns red. Means they will turns red means which litmus they are turning red? They're turning blue to red. That is what. Understanding? And parent acid and parent base, of course, I will give you the tabular column of salts. We'll understand it. Next, sodium acetate. Sodium acetate formula what? CH3COO, Na. Sodium carbonate formula, everyone. Na2. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Just now I told you.
NaHCO.
Also we can call it as sodium bicarbonate. Bi or hydrogen carbonate, both are same. So these three are, what is that? pH value is greater than 7. They will turns what? They will turns red litmus into turns red litmus into blue color. That is what you have to remember. You have to list out everything here. See that, all of you. Here they are saying nothing. You have to write it. Salt name perfectly. Construct the tabular column. Above Gandhi Tada also, no problem. You construct the tabular column and write what is the pH value. pH value equals to 7. First two pH value is equals to 7. Sodium chloride and potassium nitrate. Next three pH value is less than 7. And the next three is pH value greater than 7. Understand? That is what. Next, acid used and base used. That is what parent acid and parent base. Most probably we all knows. Of course, now I am going to say you family of salts. So by that time you'll understand and you have to make it. Is it clear, everybody? Understand? All of you?
Yes,
That is what. So make it quick now. The tabular column you have to do it after this class. Now, all of you keep reading. I think that activity also, do you all able to do it or not? Everybody? Now, so
Yes,
keep
sir.
reading. Family of salts. Very, very important one. So if you are remembering this, most probably then almost the salts we can able to name it and we can able to write the chemical formulas also. Parent acid and parent base, right? The salts having same positive ions, family of salts. All of you write it. The salts having same positive ions, or same negative ions. Same positive ions or same negative ions are said to be the same family. Said to belong. Understanding? Said to belong to the same family. Okay. Now, example. If you take sodium carbonate, Kaushik, tell me the formula of sodium carbonate. Again, I'm giving chance. Let me see. You'll say error free or not. Kaushik, I'm calling you. I think only one Kaushik is there for us. Sodium carbonate. Sodium.
Sir,
Na.
NaCO3, sir.
Wow, super. Harini, is it correct, Harini? Harini, I am asking you only. What Mr. Kaushik said is correct? You nonsense girl, I am calling you only. Sodium carbonate formula, tell me. Mr.
Sir,
Kaushik.
NaCO3, sir.
NaCO3. Wow, super, super. Excellent, excellent. That is what. What is the sodium carbonate? Sodium carbonate formula, guys?
Na2CO3.
CO3.
Na2CO3. This is what you people are learning. Na2CO3. Everything learned, sir. Everything learned, sir. Sodium, what is the valency? 1. Carbonate, what is the valency? 2. So do the crisscross method. So what we are going to get? NaCO3. Yes, Mr. Kaushik? 100% true. Okay? Feel ashamed, Ra. One day I told you to learn everything, and you are nonsense again, you are making the same mistake.